Hi, I'd like to welcome you to Project Eli, where we educate, lead, and inspire. I'm Eli's dad. You know, we started this channel, Project Eli, for the purpose of two selfish reasons for me. One was to teach my son, Eli, the things that he's going to need to know to succeed in life, to become part of the 5% crowd, the 1 in 20 that can categorize themselves as successful. And the second reason is because I owe a debt to the mentors that taught me the things that I know that allowed me to achieve what I've achieved in my life. So in order to repay that debt, I promised that I would pass along the information that they taught me. And boy, what a great venue YouTube is that allows me to do that to a large number of people. Now, some of the subjects that we talk about are goal setting, positive mental attitude, the success formula, leadership, ending procrastination, salesmanship, relationships, and on and on and on and on. All of the things, all the little details, the nuances that make someone that's successful and able to reach that high pinnacle. Now, what's different about our channel, I believe, in my very humble opinion, is that with each subject, we give you a step-by-step blueprint. Remember, I'm doing this for my son, so I'm not going to speak in generalities. Eli, this is the step you have to take to do this, to accomplish this, to accomplish this. This is the way you need to think. All right, we have a whole section on, and this is critically important, the owner's manual for your brain, the way successful people think. It's different way the 5%ers think versus the 95% crowd. So this is very essential, the work of your subconscious mind, all of the things that are necessary. Now, we've made over 100 videos right now, and if you're not familiar with our channel, I would strongly encourage you to come and join us. Go back, look over the videos, pick out the subjects that you want to look at, and make some comments, all right? I'm looking for comments, I'm looking for some suggestions, I'm looking for you to subscribe, all right? And don't forget, you can get us at Project Eli Now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So I'll be very much looking forward to seeing your comments and returning them. Once again, I'm Eli's dad. We call ourselves Charge Nation because we end every video by saying we never end our meetings on a philosophical note. And because we never end our meeting on a philosophical note, let's get out there and charge! I'm Eli's dad. I'm Eli's dad.